Now this whole chick situation is new to me because I put my Brooder inside the greenhouse, and then I got the heat plate in there, and I got that red light, and I made some new mesh coverings. I made 2 pieces so I can just take one piece off at a time when I need to get in there. But I'm going to put bricks on there because there's chipmunks and squirrels coming in here, and I heard they will kill baby chicks. Alright, there's my heat plate set up for the chickens tomorrow. The watering jug and the feeder. Got the baby chicks today, so I dipped their heads in a water bowl. I got a special electrolytes in there. I have a nice thermometer, and then I left the feed thing open so they could find it where it is, and I'm trying to move them around so that they could all find it. But we'll see how it goes. So this is where the chicken brooder was. I have it in the greenhouse up till today, because today and the next 3 or 4 days it's a heat wave and a heat index of 100. So I came out here with my daughter and the chicks were panting, so we had to take them outside in the shade. You can see where I put the brooder in the shade, and it's working out.
To put it in.
So I had to bring the brooder outside, and there are the chicks. Now they're doing a lot better because the temperature outside went down in the shade to like 92. But you might notice we put some ice packs wrapped in some paper towels, and they got used to it. They started laying next to it and walking on it. There's the temperature gauge, and then there are some over here eating, but I tell you what, they're doing a lot better. A lot better, huh? I feel good about that. There's 14 chicks. Well, there goes my chickies at 19 days old, and they're looking really good. And there's 13 of them, and my daughter's been here taming them, you know, talking to them, holding them, and they're becoming kind of tame. I guess I'm gonna have to continue that so that they could be nice chickens.